Hi everybody, today we are going to review a new car dash camera. I wanted to basically replace my last one, and if any of you guys had followed along in a previous video, what ended up happening on my last cam, which I really liked by the way, is the mount that actually secured it to the car was very fragile and it broke. And there's really no way to repair it. I've tried to no end to try to find a replacement, and I can't. So now I'm actually just replacing the entire camera. So chalk that up to being a bad camera, and let's hope this one's better, right? This one is a Keeken 4K Ultra HD camera. Records in 2160p. The sellers for this one are Keeken themselves. So it's their brand, and they're also the store owner, the distributor as well. And all right, well, I like this one more already too, because the last one also had the other older style USB cable, and this one has the newer style USB connection. So as we open this one up, I am going to see what it's made of. All right, so here's the camera itself. It's pretty lightweight. It feels lightweight plastic, so hopefully that isn't the style that cracks and breaks in the heat, because I do live in Florida, so I'm going to have a lot of heat there. This is the connector spot. This is where we're supposed to connect it to the windshield via a sticker, which I don't necessarily know is good or bad compared to the last one. The last one I had a mount that was with a suction cup, and it was actually broken inside of the suction cup where the plastic joined to it. So this one eliminates that completely. You basically stick this on your windshield, you stick that on there, and then you stick that on there. So as it's sitting on your windshield, let's say if your windshield is like this, you'll be able to see the screen. You'll be able to angle the camera however you want, up or down. So that way you're always going to be recording what's in front of you, and hopefully it's going to be a pretty good angle too. Obviously I can't test it right now. I guess I could plug it in, but having never used this one before, I really don't know the quality of it and how well it's gonna connect. But what the heck, let me grab something. Alright, sorry about that. Didn't have a charger close by. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in this way. And then it's going to power on. It says, please insert SD card, which I don't believe I have. Oh yeah, so you got to stick your SD card in here on the side. That's okay. I have a 32 gigabyte SD card from the last one that I'll just replace with this one. There's a power button on the side. R, I'm not sure what that means, but it definitely is fisheye, so you're able to see up close, and that means you're probably going to get a pretty wide angle. What do they advertise here? 140 degree wide angle, so that's pretty good. We'll be able to see almost everything directly in front of us. If you're looking at angles, in case you don't know, this is 180 degrees if you're getting everything in front of you. Like that would be 90 degrees. So if you're getting 140, that's probably something about like that. So you're going to be able to get everything in front of your car and most of the stuff to the sides as well. Going through menu here, got resolution, which you can change. Let's just see what we've got there. Frames per second, I think. I'm really going to have to look at that to figure out what that stuff is. Loop recording. We're going to crank this one up. You can change the exposure if you need to. Set it up for motion detection. Ooh, which was a good one, because if it detects motion around your car and it's powered, it will go ahead and turn on. We're going to do some audio. Date stamp, of course. Oops. Gravity sensing. This is where if the car is bumped, you're able to have it automatically turn on. And that's all the settings there for it. So setup looks pretty easy as well. What year is this? 2018. Nobody's having fun watching this, but just in case anybody wants to, you'll be able to see how easy it is to set up as well. And it's upside down for everybody too, so you'll have to look at it upside down. And because I am American, we do month, day, year. Turn that beep off. Love it. TV mode. Oh. Frequency, screensaver. So basically, when do I want the screen to turn off? Wish I could put it at 5 minutes, but 3 minutes is fine. And then default setting, and alright, so we're good to go. So that's all the settings. Basically, I'm ready to start recording right now. I'll spend probably 10 minutes, maybe 5, installing this in my car, running the cable where they belong. Fortunately, I do already have some mounts for the cables. This did not come with any mounts, so you can't mount it to your